welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Canan and it's autumn. I love autumn. Autumn is my favorite time of the year, and I also love makeup. So I wanted to combine these two things together and film a autumn makeup haul for you guys, because I bought some amazing makeup products during the past few weeks, and I really wanted to share this in a complete haul for you guys. So if you want to see what makeup I got, then just keep on watching. The first thing I'm most excited about is this fall palette from Essence, and it says Essence Fall Back to Nature Highlighter and Blush Palette. So I've seen this and I've wanted it. So I swatched it and I got it because it's literally such a beautiful color combination, I guess, and it's only like €10, so I really had to get this. Even though I won't be using these colors for blush and highlighting, because you will see why. Whoa! These are amazing shades, right? So there's a blush roll and a highlighter roll, and the highlighters are obviously shimmery, the blushes are matte, and you can mix them together as well. But I wanted to get this palette for eyeshadow, because I think these colors are bomb for eyeshadows during the fall autumn time, so I had to get this one. I unfortunately won't be swatching these beautiful shades, because I want to film a separate video on this palette. So yeah, make sure that you check that video out. I upload it during the next few days, and yeah, it's so beautiful. Next, let's talk about the beautiful lipstick that I'm wearing today, and it's from MAC Cosmetics, and it's the shade Mocha. And it's such a unique autumny color. It's one of their satin finishes, even though I think this one is more on the dry or matte side, because I do have some of these satin finish lipsticks from MAC already, and I love the texture of it and the formula. But this one feels a little more dry than the ones that I've owned before. Anyway, I think the color is just bomb for autumn and also for the winter time, and I think I'm going to use this color for every day now. Anyway, it's such a beautiful shade, you guys, and it stays on for so long. I've used it once already, and today obviously, and I've used it in school. I put it on at 7 in the morning, and I came home at 2 or 3 p.m, something like that, and it was still on. It looked so fresh. Literally so fresh, and people keep asking me what are you wearing today, and yeah, it just always feels so nice getting compliments on your makeup, even if it's old makeup, but especially if it's new makeup and you're yes, someone's seen it and someone saw that it's beautiful, and it's not only me thinking that it's beautiful. So next, let's talk about my eyebrows today, because I've used this new baby right here, and it's from Catrice. It's the Brow Pro Pen, and it really reminded me of one of the Benefit products, even because I don't know if it's a limited edition, but it's definitely one of their new products, and I really hope that they will keep this in their main collection from Catrice, because it's just so smooth, it's just perfect. They come in several different shades, I guess in 5 or 6 maybe, and I think for drugstore that's pretty amazing, because usually drugstore go one for the lighter shades and one for the darker one. I know that because I do have the regular stylist pencil from Catrice as well, and it's my favorite. I use it every day, but they literally just have 2 shades, one light one and one dark one, and I have the dark one. It's pretty good, I love it, but this one is so much smoother. But also I think you run out of this such quicker, because I've used it like once, twice or now, and there's already missing like a little bit of it. Anyway, I think for that price you can't go wrong, and it doesn't have like a spoolie on it, but it has like one super soft like brush on the other side, and I think for drugstore this is just perfect. I've been waiting for something like that. Like, it's so affordable and really good quality. Next I got a gorgeous eyeshadow palette, and it's from the German drugstore, and that's the reason why I don't know if this is a German brand or not. It's called LOV, and like they're super affordable as well. I think the price range is almost like sleek makeup, and I think this palette is so beautiful. I'm going to show you why. It's got this cute like plastic thing in it which says love knows no language, and the reason for that is because like every single shade in here has got like the word love in it, but in different languages, and I think this is so beautiful. I don't know, like the shades reminded me a little bit of like Huda Beauty shades. They are like berry, and like some of them are shimmery and some of them are like matte. The pigmentation is so good, you guys. I tried it on and I put it on today as well, and I think it's so cute, and as I said, super affordable. And again from LOE I got like a highlighter palette. I wanted this for ages now. I wanted one of the single ones, but one that I wanted was sold out, so I thought of picking like a trio. It's like a palette, a highlighting palette, and it says Cool Prismatic Palette. It's a little bit extra because it's got like these holographic highlighters in it, a blue one, a pink one, and like a almost silverish one, and they are so beautiful. Next I got some things from Primark because they have amazing makeup as well, and I just found that out recently because like I had like a few products of them and they were like fine and okay, I guess. One powder I really was not obsessed with and not satisfied at all, but some other products are super amazing, and yeah, I picked some lip products, one lipstick and one lip pencil, and I'm going to show you the lip pencil first because it's amazing. It's in the shade Toast and it did cost me $1.50. Can you believe that? Like $1.50 for a lip pencil, and it's literally the same shade as Oak from MAC Cosmetics. Like I thought that when I went to Primark and I swatched it and I was like, that color definitely reminds me of the Oak one, and I'm going to live test this with you guys now. And correct me if I'm wrong, but I really think it did look like the Oak one, and the Oak one from MAC costs like over 20 euro here in Germany, so I think if this is going to look exactly like it, then it's an amazing dupe and you have to pick it if you love MAC products. So yeah, I'm just going to open this now. Okay, so I swatched it and it does not exactly look like the Oak one as I thought, so this is super embarrassing. But I think for $1.50 you can't go wrong with this. Like it does look a little bit like the Oak one, but on the warmer side, I guess. It has like a warm undertone to it, and the Oak one does as well, but not as much as the Primark one. And I think it's super creamy, and right now I think the Primark one goes on so much smoother than the MAC one, and I think both of them are super pretty. The Oak one is a go-to product for me, like in my opinion. I use it on almost a daily basis. I use it with lipsticks that don't even have a similar color to it, but I think you can't go wrong with it. And yeah, I cannot wait to work with the Primark one as well. So next, for the lipstick that I was talking about from Primark as well, it did cost me $1.50. Well, so that's the real bargain. So I'm trying to open this, but I must say that the Primark makeup packages are not that handy to open. I think the packaging looks super sweet, reminds me of Meg, like one of it, and that's basically the lipstick, and I think the shade is super gorgeous. I didn't swatch this one at store, I just seen it and I thought I wanted it, and it's the shade Velvet Touch, and it smells so good. Oh my gosh, it smells like vanilla, and I always pick the like vanilla macadamia and vanilla candles from Primark for €1, and oh my gosh, it smells so good, you guys. So that's it for the Primark things, and I must say this lipstick smells incredibly good. Next I got a foundation, and it's the Fit Me foundation, Luminous and Smooth from Maybelline, and it's a drugstore foundation. I need a new drugstore foundation because I always use high-end foundations during the day, and I think that gets expensive during like some time. And I picked the shade 115 because I always use like 110 or 120, and like 120 was too dark, 120 was too light, so I found the perfect middle, both of them. So yeah, I picked this one. Next I got some things that were actually sent to me there from the German drugstore as well. The brand is called Trend It Up, and I really wanted to put this in the haul as well, so you guys get to see that too, because it's one of their like newest collections. I got the whole collection, so I think it's super exciting if you love makeup just as much as I do. And I'm simply just going to swatch all the colors for you. So first of all, I'm going to swatch like the lipsticks. They're like pencils almost. Pants? I don't know. Well, it's 4, no 5, I'm sorry. It's like 5, oh my gosh, I can't even talk right now. It's 5 shades, so I'm going to swatch these and like basically just show you what the shades look like. Okay, so these were like the lipsticks they did send me, and they sent me like the matching lip pencils as well, but I won't be swatching these because it's literally the same color, and I tried these out already, and I think the finishing is pretty good. Like they stay on quite a while, and I think for drugstore makeup it's absolutely fine. Like I love the shades, they're perfect for autumn, so I'm really happy that they have like shimmer in it as well, because you guys know that I love a good like shimmery lipstick, because I'm actually a lip gloss person, so I really am missing like more like glittery pigments or like shimmery pigments in lipsticks, and especially in beautiful lipsticks, and I think these shades are all so gorgeous, and I cannot wait to work with these and like makeup tutorials maybe. They did also send me 4 of their mascaras, and one is the oil-free mascara, the volume and curl mascara, the volume and waterproof mascara, and the volume and definition mascara. I tried out one of these, like the blue one right here, which is the waterproof one, because I love like wearing waterproof mascara, I don't know. And like I cannot wait to try the other one out as well. I also got 2 eyeshadow palettes from Trend It Up. One was just damaged in the package, so I won't be showing that because it's super sad, but the other one is still so pretty, and it's got like 4 shimmer shades in it. I haven't tried this one out, so I can't talk about it yet, but the colors do look like me, so I'm pretty sure that I'm going to love it. Last but not least, I wanted to include some nail polishes in this makeup haul as well, because I think nail polish is makeup for your hands, so why not include that as well. I'm starting with a drugstore one. It's from the same brand, they sent some things over. It's from Trend It Up, and but I paid for this, so it's based on Protect Code, and I ran out of mine, so I picked this one, and they actually changed the bottle, and I think it just looks so cute. Next I got a plain white Sally Hansen nail polish, and I just really love Sally Hansen ones, so I picked this one in the shade Well Well Well. Next I picked 2 Essie nail polishes out of their new like fall autumn collection, and I was so happy to get these. And the first shade is this orangey shimmery color right here, and it's called Say It Ain't Soho, which is super cool. It's a Blink 182 lyrics, so that's pretty funny because I'm a huge fan, and yeah, I think it's such a cute color. And the next color or shade out of the fall collection from Essie is this gorgeous shade right here. I'm wearing it today as well, and it's called Fall for New York City, and I think this one is a must-have during fall, autumn time. Okay, so that's it for my autumn makeup haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup haul with me, and thank you so much for watching this video with me. If you did like it, then give this video a huge thumbs up please, that would make me so happy. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't been subscribed to it already. Click that cute little bell so to get notifications on whenever I post a new video, and I hope to see you soon. Goodbye!